If you've been following me for a while, first, thank you, genuinely. This channel has been an incredible journey, and everything I've built here together with you has meant the world to me. But I have to tell you something important. A few years ago, after more than 20 years of practicing yoga every single day, I got a herniated disc. My surgeon told me I needed a spinal fusion surgery, and sitting in that office, I realized something was fundamentally wrong with how the yoga world was being taught, including how I was teaching it. And what I discovered after that changed everything. I found a method that not only fixed my own pain without surgery, it completely transformed how I understand the body and how I teach yoga. And I've built a whole new channel around that truth, and it's called Yogi Aaron, the Yoga Truth. And it's the most important work I've ever done. Over there, I'm teaching the yoga that most yoga teachers won't tell you about. Why stretching might be making your pain worse. Why the yoga poses you've been doing for years could be shutting down the muscles that protect your spine. And what to do instead. If any of that resonates with you, if you've been doing yoga and something still isn't working, this is where you need to be. The link to the channel is right here. Click it, subscribe, and come and find me. And I promise you, what is coming is going to be worth it. Namaste, friends, and I'll see you over there.